Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw the Toyota Supra MK4. We'll begin by establishing the car's overall proportions. Think of it as building a foundation. A simple rectangular base will guide our main body shape, ensuring everything stays balanced. Then, we'll add a gentle curve for the roof and windshield, followed by the circular wheel wells. Now, let's bring in some of those recognizable Supra features. Carefully sketch the headlights and taillights, paying attention to their unique shapes. Next, we'll define the side skirts and the prominent rear spoiler, which gives the car its aggressive stance. Don't forget the front bumper and its air intakes for that authentic look. Moving on, we'll focus on the wheels and windows. Inside those circular wheel wells, draw the wheels, adding spokes, and even a hint of brake calipers for realism. Then, define the side windows and the rear window, giving the car its enclosed structure. Finally, sketch the door lines and the sleek side mirrors. For our final steps, we'll refine the drawing. Carefully go over all your lines, making them crisp and clean, and erase any initial sketch marks. Then, introduce some subtle shading to give your Supra depth and a three-dimensional feel. Don't forget those small but important details like door handles and any badges to complete your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.